Hi everyone, welcome to today's video, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can apply an image trace effect onto any image of your choice. So just make sure that the image that you choose is of high quality and it's not pixelating when it gets scaled up, right? Speaking of which, I will be talking a little bit about the difference between a raster image and a vector image as well. So this is something that I have already covered in one of my videos earlier, a difference between vector and raster image. But just to brief it a little bit more, a raster image is also known as a bitmap image, and when it's stored, it's stored in a series of tiny dots called pixels. So that's why when we enlarge a bitmap or a raster image, it gets pixelated. So all those tiny dots you see is called pixels as well. Whereas with vector images, vector images can be scaled into any size without getting pixelated and can be used in other devices as well. Vector images use more of mathematical formulas to draw lines and curves to make an image or even a geometric object such as circles or polygons, right? So do watch my earlier video, the difference between a raster and a vector image, to get more insights, and you will understand exactly the difference between as well. So this was just a brief, right? So image trace, what it does is that it can convert your image into an entirely different image, but it plays around with the effects as well, and it's super easy to do. So you can go ahead and open any image you like. It can be of yourself, it can be of a landscape, your friends, families, or any food item, basically any image that you like, right? So I've opened up this chocolate image of a dairy milk. So after you've opened it, you select your image like this, okay? And over here you will see this object which says image trace, and it says converts image into a tracing object, right? So if you click on this drop down box which says tracing presets, you can actually choose which one you want to change it into, right? So if I click on this line art one, as you can see, it converts into this type of an image. But with this line art, you can't really make out that it's a chocolate, that it's of a chocolate, right? So we can go ahead and also see which one you like more and play around with the presets. So this is the sketched art one, the shades of gray. As you can see, it gets converted like that. Also play around with the different colors as well. So 16 colors like this, it becomes more realistic. Similarly with 3 colors, it still becomes realistic like that, and you can make out that it's of a dairy milk chocolate, right? So whichever preset you like most, you can apply that on your image, and then we can go ahead and also save it in a file. So it's really easy to do that as well. So in order to do that, we'll be going to file and clicking on save as. So by default, you can see that my file name is the same as my document name, which was Cadbury Dairy Milk, but I'll just save this as image trace, and my save as type is going to be Adobe Illustrator. I highly recommend that we save a file in this format, so that in case if I want to make any further changes, I can easily do that by accessing my AI file, and I'll click on save, and I'll click on OK as well. And there you go. We have also successfully saved our file in an AI file as well. So that's it. We've come to the end of our tutorial, and I hope you found this video to be useful. So do play around with the presets with different images as well, and you're gonna get the same effect, but it's gonna look a little different depending on the image you choose. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.